Okay, now in this video here, okay, this amount, your taxable income is, here's what 29,500 means, okay? 29,500 is money I have made this year, okay? Now, I have to pay tax on that, okay? $29,500. So what you do, you look up 29,000, the 29, okay? So right here is 29, okay? Right there. Now, here's the amount. So you got 29,000 to 29,050. 29, you can't see it just by looking at the screen. You're going to have to look at your paper. 29,050 to 29,100. 29,000, and they're all 29,000s. 100 to 150, 150 to 200, 200 to 250, 250 to 300. Okay. You got to find 29,500 the first time you see it. It's right here. Okay. And you got to look at this number. Okay. That comes right after it. Okay. Down here. Okay. You're single. You're not married. Okay. So you're looking at single. Okay. So there's 29,500, and I owe $5,218 in tax. Now I usually pay some of that out of my paycheck during the year. That's kind of what determines whether you get paid or you have to pay. If what you got taken out of your paycheck during the year. Okay, 13,250. So 13,000's right here. Okay, 13,000. So the first time I see 250, okay, is right here. So $1,984. Okay, so that's how much tax I have to pay. Okay, 35,200. Now here's 35,200. The first 200 I see is right here. And that's a 6,814. Remember, we're looking under single, okay? So 6,814 is my tax. Okay, taxable income, 26,500. So here's 26,500. It's 26,000, okay? And again, 26 is up here. Sorry, that's 28. 26 is here. 26,500, okay? So 500's here, so $4,378 is how much I need to pay in taxes. Okay, now the next problems are like the ones you have. Now, sometimes, here's what you need to write. Sometimes I spend my money on things that are what's called tax exempt, okay? Tax exempt. Sorry, that looks like a third grader. Okay. Here's what tax exempt means. Tax exempt is money I can subtract. And the reason I want to subtract that is so I have to pay less tax. That's a good thing, okay? Tax exempt, money I can subtract, so I have to pay less tax. And all these pretty much mean the same thing, okay? Mean the same thing. Mean same thing. So you take the money you made at your job. That's what gross income is called, okay? By the way, go down here and write what gross income means. It's the money I make in a year, okay? So I made $25,374 in a year, okay? But I spent my money on these things that are tax exempt, money I can subtract so I have to pay less. So I subtract all of these, 750 minus 2,500 minus 3,900, okay? So I take 25,374 minus 750 minus 2,500 minus 3,900 gives me $18,224, okay? And that's what's known as your taxable income. Okay, now taxable income is the amount I look at this sheet for, $18,224, okay? So look up 18,000, okay, and 224. So 18,000 is right here, okay? So 224, well, I don't see 224. 224 is between 200 and 250. So I owe $2,734. That's the answer, okay? So $2,734 equals the tax I have to pay, okay? So again, that's really cluttered, but that's what you're doing. You're taking your gross income, which is how much money I make in a year, and remember, tax exempt means money I can subtract, so I have to pay less tax, okay? See, if I look up 25,374, okay, so let's say here's 25,374, that's between 350 and 400, that's 4,070. Well, if I look up that number, I have to pay more. I want to pay less. The goal, okay, the goal, you want to pay as little as possible. That's why when you have those exemptions, you need to be subtracting them, okay? Okay, now again, we want to find how much tax we owe. That's your job. Find the tax I have to pay. So we take the money we made last year, and these things I can subtract, so the number I look at on the table is not as big as 43,092. So I minus those. And 32,055 is the taxable income. Okay, so that's what we have. So the number I look at on the table is $32,055. So here's $32,000, okay, right here, and $55. Now you don't see 055, but it's between 050 and 100, okay? So we look at the second number, and that's 5,946, okay? And that is the tax I have to pay. Okay, now I'm gonna shut the video off. You're done with it. You do 6, 7, 8 using this table.